computer, but I've been sick.
Yes, ma'am.
And I need to read it again. I'm better now. Say it.
Ms. Bryant,
Yes, sir.
were you going to recess the meeting to give Mr. Dodd an opportunity? He was able to come back within the hour. I thought that was the original conversation that we had.
I didn't have that conversation, but we can do that.
He was hoping that he would be done within an hour. But that's up to the board.
What time did they begin?
9.
I remember it taking like 20 minutes, and he ought to be here easily within the hour. What's your pleasure, board?
Normally, we don't have any often. But what we did is move back the meeting. They moved back, we asked them to move back the meeting like to 8:30.
Mhm.
So we would not be late to this.
I understood there was some kind of conflict with the,
There wasn't time to do that because of the public notices of the meetings when that occurred, so.
about the time he figured out there was a problem. Yeah. He had a different date down, and it wasn't March the 7th, it was today. Okay, so,
I mean, that's up to the board, but he is representing the board on that value adjustment.
yes, he is.
It's-
I'm okay with doing that if the rest of the board is.
Okay, we're gonna-
We can, I mean, we can even go through if there's any housekeeping stuff, you know, that we were gonna talk about any point. We can do that now, and I don't have really anything, but,
well, I think we can finish with Susie. This is all Susie has.
yeah, no, I meant, yes, she's, Mr. Bradshaw's saying that we might want to recess the meeting instead of just going right into the workshop. That's what I think this was about.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and finish with this one, with Susie.
The only thing I would say is, so I know like the AES is the AED presentation.
Absolutely.
I don't have any.
Okay, and I think you'll be fine with goldenrod.
Yeah.
All right, so do I have a motion on the goldenrod?
I move did you already do that, Ms. Powers? Oh, I move that we approve the superintendent's recommendation on our instructional support.
I have six.
We have a motion by Mr. Kennedy, a second by Ms. Counts to approve the instructional and support recommendations. Any questions or comments? All those in favor? Aye. Passes 4-0. All right, so we're going to recess our meeting for the next, till 10 o'clock. Okay, we'll recess it until 10. That means we get to visit.
Force.